What if you can take any flat AI images and instantly turn it into editable layers? Canva just rolled out a new feature called Magic Layers, and it lets you separate images in different editable parts so that you can move elements around, remove backgrounds, and change colors and even text that was baked into the image. If you've ever created an image in ChatGPT, Canva, or other AI tool in which you could just fix one part without starting over, this feature is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you what Magic Layer does, how to use it inside Canva, and why this could be a huge upgrade for editing AI-generated images. If you haven't seen it yet, Canva has a new feature and it's called Magic Layers. Magic Layers is their new AI feature which allows you to make any flat images have layers. So it'll make it easier to move, resize, recolor, or replace any layer. So you can either change background or edit any text with it. So let's see what it does. I'm going to select this one, and with Magic Layers, it has now split up text, my image layers. Now I can move everything, the background, the image elements, even the foreground, and the text. So I can now easily change this text color to white, and I can move my image anywhere I want. I can move it here, here, and I can even remove the whole background. Even these little tiny AI generated icons I can remove. This is a game changer if you're bringing any images in from Nano Banana, creating it from ChatGPT or Canva itself. Sometimes AI images do not look great and need some adjusting, and this easily can bring it to the next level. So you actually don't have to import the image like I did earlier. You can actually do it right in your project. You just need to find a new image like this, and then click on it, go to edit, and it will show up in Magic Studios. Here, it'll do its magic like it would before with a magic background remover or magic grab. It'll just take a bit longer. But since there's not much going on here, it will be a pretty easy job for it to do. Now I can move this and this out, and this feature feels like it's just combining magic background and magic grab together, so it's grabbing a lot more different elements for you to edit. The best thing about it is being able to edit text. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.